Good evening, welcome back to my channel. This is your boy Jack coming to you from Kingston, Jamaica. Alright, today's review is just going to be an unboxing, and it's not my first impression. I'm just going to be giving you guys my opinion on this fragrance. Alright, so in spite of what's happening in the world, I've been pretty much down, salty, and the only thing that can cheer me up is actually a good fragrance in which I must give credit and thanks to the great Tanique Hill Meadow. Hope I pronounced your last name properly in Fracom. She has some awesome deals, guys, trust me, crazy deals. So I ended up getting this bottle of Lira from her, 30 ml bottle, guys, and I'm a lover of the house of Xerjoff, especially the Casamorati line. This, I believe, is in my top 5 from the house, alright? In the Casamorati line. So let me show you guys the presentation. This one comes in a 30 ml and also a 100 ml. And here you have the water, guys. Trust me, this is very, very neat. I really do like 30 ml bottles. So I'm looking a bit shabby today, guys, because I haven't been to the barber shop in quite some time. Quite some time, my apologies, and I believe I'll be going to the barber this weekend. So, 30 ml. Let me give you guys a quick. I really don't like to waste the fragrances, guys, but if memory serves me correctly, guys, this one is just as beautiful as the first time I smelled it. It is very bright, it is very sweet, it is very smooth. I'm getting like some citrus in it, I'm getting like some vanilla. There is like a, how should I put it? Is it some sort of toffee-like feel I'm getting in this one. It's slightly gourmand in my opinion, slightly gourmand. It's not necessarily full-fledged gourmand. But this one, I must say, is a love from the house as well. From me, alright? 30 ml bottle, look at it. It's very unique. The only thing that's missing from this bottle is tassel, and I believe I'm gonna make one for it. So, there you have it. Guys, this is one of the best vanilla fragrance I've ever smelled. So I believe I'm going to make this my scent of the day tomorrow. Yeah, I'm going to do that. So here you have the cap as usual with Casamorati on it. Here you have the logo, and at the back you have Casamorati written as well, engraved in the bottle, guys. 30 ml. It's very, very luxurious in terms of packaging. So there you have it. I'm your boy Ja. Like, subscribe to my channel, and leave a comment down below, guys. If you have tried this fragrance, if you like it or love it, let me know as well, alright? Peace, I am out. Stay safe, guys.